Yeah, people, morning, good evening, good afternoon, anywhere on the day. Yes? Andy Livingston again. Yeah, man. We want to talk some more about this Jamaican situation at the hurricane and the the spin-offs of what we say are going. See? I want to big up the people them in Craighead, Manchester. I want to big up the police from Christiana. Yeah, yesterday we make another run, go down in the Manchester there, go do some relief and people them irie, I want to give thanks to the people them who see it in themselves to say alright, out of them meager resources and that's how Jamaicans stay. You know, we carrying some relief and out of them little resources. Them still find it in themselves run couple banana some yam and thing. I will give thanks. You know what I mean? We give thanks, Rasta. Just to show you how them people, the love where Jamaican people naturally have, and them resilience. And we bless them up and thing. People, I'm gonna pull up a chair. Saying, alright, watch you now. It's two conversations I don't want a man bring to me. And anytime if I buck up that kind of thing where a man come to me with them conversation, me I go run him away with it. Or me I go just take with myself. I don't want to have no more of this conversation. Two things. I don't want to have the conversation where some man I say the relief effort is politicized. Yeah? I go out there and I don't see it. If you see it, you see it. So you what you do now. It is politicized in a way where we are say the government, the Labour right government, and usually I'm a PNP friend them, assessor. So you what they them do. As me show a virgin last night. Find a Labour right and go discuss it. Yeah? Uno can just go discuss that and trash it out. Me no want a man come to me with it. Because I say, I go out there and I don't see it, so if uno see it, uno go work out that with Labour rights. See? But the thing where I really want to talk about most of all is the man-made hurricane where some man have proposed. See? Um, One thing I want debunk. A brethren in all of this man-made argument here. So the hurricane is man-made and the rain will come with it is acid rain. Yeah? And I ask, so those people who are exposed to this acid rain when on a roof and them thing they know, how come them no burn up? See? How come them no burn up? But that aside, just look up on your tree them, man. And you see your tree them start spring up. I go to Manchester yesterday and I see tree spring up and green and nice again. Well, not as, but you see trees are regenerate themselves. That's how nature work. Nature is a thing where regenerate itself. And so we see the tree them are spring back to life and thing again. And we see these people them are spring back to life as well. We see man in them ground I start plant back some things and things, which is what we want to see. Because sitting down and commiserating and bawling and thing, that not help. See it? So while Jamaica helps, while government help, while foreigners sending them help, while, we have to go and do something for ourselves. And we're glad to see it. We like to see how the man them respond to their own situation. Yeah? Yeah, so the brethren them with the acid rain argument. All of the tree them dead. No, the tree them not dead. The leaves blow off. We've never seen a category 5 hurricane and thing. And so it stripped the tree them and the whole all forest look like, it really did look like fire passed through. But no, are just the effects of the wind on these trees and it strip every tree. Now we see leaves are spring back. So disabuse yourself for them full notion, man. Acid rain and them thing. Saying? Now this aspect of this idea that this hurricane was man-made. I want to ask them something, and especially some Rasta brethren of mine, let me just ask this. You remember when we used to say, Jah all great and all powerful? And all these things when we used to say, well, a Jah do it. What? Jah no great and powerful again. Man more great. Man greater than Jah now. That man could have even sit down somewhere and can conceive of this idea. And Jah no put it down. Asking yourself that. If you're not really serious about you know, healing Jah and thing. You know what I mean? But on a practical level, so we hear about some little thing, and that's how we stay as we hear about something. So we hear about harp and harp up in the sky, and them can do this, and man can manipulate weather systems and way. And a man gonna ask me if me don't know about cloud seeding. Of course we know about cloud seeding. Cloud seeding are going in Jamaica from in the 70s. Yeah? And that usually happen when there's drought and we need rain. But cloud seeding is something that is really is really a chemical seeding, you know. Yeah? You put certain chemicals in the atmosphere and there are certain reactions to it. Yeah? So them used to fly planes go up in the cloud and go up in the sky, spray certain things. Like for argument, salt is a component of them thing. And we know how salt, you put salt and tomorrow you get up on the salt wet. So what salt does is attract any moisture in the atmosphere. Yeah? In a one place, form cloud, and then we get precipitation from that. Yeah? What we could think about the geopolitical. How much? So we hear the man them talk as a boy, for argument's sake, Andrew make deal and cause this to happen because them want down a St. Elizabeth for set up smart city. And boy, I talk about resilient city and him repeat that so much time that something in it and way. We hear argument, say Jamaica have oil out there. See? And the oil, some man say, around other part there, of the island. The oil supposed to be offshore. So, them want the land them so that them can build them thing around this oil thing and way and all this thing. I don't see no concrete proof of this, how much million barrels of oil out there, you know. Yeah? Some people out there are drilled and based on apparently them sonar tests and thing, there's some speculation that this oil are out there. Yeah? So apparently the man them want the oil, so and that's why them send the hurricane. I don't want a man come to me with them argument there. Guyana find how much oil the other day. So much so that Guyana use the oil money and I drive them economy. Guyana have an economic boom right now. I have a bridging down there, for argument's sake. I do some work. See? And him want workers from Guyana. And the Guyanese man don't even want to work. Because he must see the oil money, piece of the oil money, right you know. So my brethren have a problem with getting workers. Such is the impact of the oil money pan Guyana. See? So we know say Guyana have this oil here. Why them no want this oil that is proven to be there? When them no just harp up a hurricane and mash up Guyana and just go down there go take for them oil. Because it done there already. You see what I say? Venezuela have the biggest oil reserves in the world. not the Western world, not the um not the Latin American world, in the world. And so for years they've been destabilizing Venezuelan governments. See? Because anytime you have your resources and you use it for benefit your people, these people don't want that. See? You must just give it to them. Yeah, because for them people alone matter. See? So for years, them have done everything for destabilize Venezuela. See? To the point now where right now there's a little woman where them have down there as another puppet. Around against Maduro them. See? But it's easy. Since we can make storms and hurricanes and things, well, we are bother ourselves then. Well, America bother itself for send warship and a pasture. Seeing that Venezuela now have Russian down there, counter pasture and thing and to see who can flex muscle more. You know, just harp up a category 6 man and wipe out Venezuela, man. We could have them could have do that, no, since them can do that. And just go take Venezuela oil, no. Not easy for them. So why now come mash up little Jamaica? That it's kind of a speculative thing about what we have. And the man where you know we have it and you want it, you don't do nothing to him. No necessarily argument no make no sense, brethren. Like a brethren, and I'm a good brethren, said to me, say, and him now say that is what it is, you know. But the man say, boy, how the storm I move is almost like a man have a remote control. And just move it yes and I move it this one, I move it this one. Man, I say, boy, like me, my brethren, my DJ brethren, have a song where I say, boy, for the first him see storm draw breaks. Seeing? Great brethren. Seeing? Bad lyrics and mash up place. But we see storm stop all the time. Storm systems are move and then it just, yeah, seem like it just sit down on one place. And just blow till it start move again. We see them thing there all the time, but once we tell ourselves say a man-made storm, we start now to ascribe everything to this man-made thing. So apparently he's a man sit down with a remote control and then move the storm there, so and then make it stop here so because he has not clean out enough and then he move it along. Brother, them thing then we wanna get them argument them man. I wanna come up with them something there. And one fool make many, so when he in a crowd, the most popular man start talk some things. And everybody will say, yeah man, that's true man. Ooh, yeah, you know, see how this thing go, you know, see how that thing go. Tell the man say a foolishness in my talk, man. Seeing? Or if you don't call it foolishness, have some intelligent discussions around the thing. Seeing? Show a man point. Why this couldn't go so. Seeing? Or why you don't think this is going so. And this will go so. And then maybe, you know what I mean, you can sit down and trash it out and say, well, come up with a reasonable conclusion. Yeah? If you want to talk about man-made hurricanes, make you talk about what man do in terms of global warming. Make you talk about how man treat garbage around here. Make you talk about how man treat CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. Make you talk about emissions from automobiles. Make you talk about emission from the various factories. And them something there. Industrial factories, industrial waste. Make you talk about them something there, man. And man make them something there. That is what man is doing to contribute to a thing like the size of this hurricane and the intensity. A man do that, yes. So a man contribute to the damage we feel from this hurricane. That is what man is doing. But no man no sit down now we do no remote control, brother. Yeah? That is why we believe in at this God up in the sky and look down for everything and I write in a book and him a go come. Because we believe all sort of rubbish. And we don't question anything once the top man says so, we just start saying, yeah man, and because the man where I say so can buy lunch. Come on, man. We don't have to stop it here. So for me, you know, as me I say, any man come to me with them argument, I go just dismiss it. Me no want to hear it again, brother. Or me I go just take with myself. You know see it? Yeah man, me can't get hoarse. I tell some man some obvious things. Yeah man. So let me know what you think about these things in the comment. You know? But as me say as to me, I don't want a man come to me with it no more. Yes? Like, share, and subscribe. See you. I'm soon another time. Blessings.